Hey folks, so my husband and I have this running conversation about him swearing that I say particular words, and I swear that I never said them in a conversation. And I'm a little bummed because this is my second take for this video, and in the first take, I totally threw in words that made no sense in context. Instead of saying familiarity, I said similarity. Instead of saying, what did I say? Instead of saying terminology, I said technology. So unfortunately, I think he might actually be right about me throwing in random words. Please don't tell him that I told you that. Okay, anyway, completely irrelevant to what we're talking about right now. And what we're talking about right now is week 9. Week 9 is a really cool week because it starts the second half of our semester. When I designed this course, I basically divided argumentation up into 2 halves. In the first half of the semester, weeks 1 through 8, we focused on analyzing other people's arguments. We played around with argument structure a little bit, but we didn't develop our own detailed, well-supported arguments. Or if we did, like in the midterm essay, it was because we were analyzing argumentation that someone else created. In the second half of class, we're going to use our argumentation to make well-developed logical arguments about the things that we care the most about. And so we begin that this week with our introduction to claims. For those of you who have taken public speaking, have taken Intro to Human Communication, have taken our standalone persuasion class, this is going to feel very similar to you, even though we're going to be using slightly different terminology. Not technology, terminology. Got the right word that time. Okay. And so here are a variety of things we're going to do this week. We're going to explore the Intro to Claims chapter in Revel, which I believe is chapter 10. We also have another conversation journal. This one, the actual conversations you'll be having with your partner or partners are really fun. And it's one of my absolute favorite journals to read afterwards as you reflect on that experience. And then you've got a survey, and that is it for the week. So that's what you are doing. While you are doing that, I will continue to review and think about and grow from and provide feedback about your midterm essays. Many of you, when I sent out an email asking if you could give me a little bit of direction with the type of feedback you would like, did exactly that. You went into the gradebook row for the midterm essay and you posted a comment about whether you preferred rubric descriptor feedback or rubric descriptors plus inline text comments, where I'm like highlighting things and writing little messages and comments. And one of the main reasons I asked for that is I want to spend my time giving you the type of feedback that you want. So if you know that you never pay attention to those inline grading comments, let me know that. I won't waste my time, and then I will just give you the stuff you care about, which is the rubric descriptors right there. If you know that you really like to match both of those up, which is what I do when I am a student in a class, then I will give you that type of feedback. So I really want to tailor this to the way you learn best. So if you haven't made that comment yet, please go into the gradebook and let me know which of those 2 options you would prefer. I think that's it at this point. I hope this video finds you well. I hope as we kind of debrief from midterms in this class and other classes, you are honoring yourself. I hope you are proud of the work that you have done. And I hope that you have energy as we face the second part of the semester. And if you don't have energy, I hope that you're doing things to restore that energy and honor yourself. All right, I'll check in with you later.